Hello everybody, and today in this video I will show you how to clean the dust inside the lens of this AXIS P3304 network cameras. Let's get started. So as you can see, if I point the camera up on the ceiling, and here's the live view image of it, you can see that there's two spots of dust. Even if I use my lens cloth and clean it, the spot didn't go away, so the dust is stuck inside the image sensor. Now that we know the dust is inside the image sensor, let's start by removing two T6 screws, here and here. Alright, I'm going to take the two screws out. Then as you can see, there's this image sensor cable, so I'm going to unplug that too for safety. There we go. As you see, there's two more T6 screws. Unscrew that. And there we go. There's this image sensor right here, and this is the head, and this is the IR filter. And you may or may not see, but there is black spots of dust on here. So I'm going to take a clean cloth right here, and there we go. No more dust spots. So let's reassemble it. And there you go, the reassemble process has been completed. Alright, let's test it. The camera's now started up again, and you can see the live image. Hello there. And it's kind of blurry, so I just need to focus that. Upside down, but really don't care right now. As you can see, there's no more dust. And that's it. Thanks for watching.